What makes a space clean as a sanctuary. Enjoy the space, you guys. We'll see you in a bit. Hashtag for this event, hashtag Dome Experience, hashtag Green Space Collective, hashtag Domex, and hashtag Dome. And Robinson Supermarket. Know each other, kung hindi ko kilala mga squadmates ninyo, and you're going to sila. Okay, very good. Create your own strategies, of course. Make sure to create a unique Friday, very shiny day, and requires your squad.
It's you! You're the one I love! You're the one I need! You're the only one I...
Thank you so much, guys. As in, pinaghirapan, pinag-isipan talaga mga squad names and squad cheers for this afternoon. Thank you. And here, are you guys ready to play? Okay, first question. The toilet is the most hygienic part of the house. 3, 2, 1, go! Isa lang, iba yaw. Please, say pa. Okay, so please. Okay, the toilet is the most unhygienic part of the answer. The toilet is still considered the dirtiest zone because it contains waste-related pathogens, it produces contamination via flushing, and requires intentional... Why do you think it's true? The stronger the smell of my toilet cleaner means stronger cleaning. Because, because? The more chemicals for cleaning. Do pa naman na. Alright, but the correct answer, yung color blue guys, yon. The Domex Ultra Thick Bleach Toilet Cleaner. And for inorganic stains, which includes the mineral buildup, use the Domex Stain and Limescale Acid. Ito siya, the white one. Domex Stain and Limescale Acid Based Cleaner. So with Domex, less scrubbing effort is needed to remove chalk stains. So it doesn't mean na, mas gusto sa tudo, para makakasya. Dirty, which is correct naman. water toilet source. So for your regular frequent cleaning, you can actually use the Domex Target Mineral Stains. That includes nice scale.
Alright, that's good. So actually, as what Angel said, this is our first stop in Visayas. So it's here in Iloilo, and I must say this place is also special to my heart. Iloilo, kahit ilong galit ko. So maayong hapon, and thank you again, maraming salamat for saying yes to support Domex. Yes, Unilever Domex, and it's the biggest cleaning brand in the Philippines. And welcome, and you're part of the Cleanfluencer Squad. I hope that this is a round of applause. Okay, for energy, guys. Diba? So agree ito, basta Ilongga? Basta Ilongga? I think unstoppable, basta Ilongga? Very good, wap unstoppable. Okay, my new third time for today. Okay, let's show the